been hit yet with any traffic from R2. But now that we've added R2 under the ACL as being source, so any traffic sourced from 2.2.2.2 to any has to conform and will be policed by this policy map outbound on serial 01 out to R3. So what we should see, if we go to R2 now, let's go back to R3 and so I can show you. Right now we have, if I do a show policy map interface serial 00, we have no packets coming in with a precedence value of 2 being marked at all. So let's go to router 2 and do a ping 3.3.3.3 source 2.2.2.2, repeat count of 1000, size 1000, and we can see again this traffic is being dropped by the policy map between R1 and R2, again the ICMP traffic. So we have reached the value higher than 50% bandwidth on the interface. Once this occurs, we're dropping this traffic, so we know that that's occurring. But if we go to router 3 now and do a show policy map interface serial 00, we can now see that we are indeed seeing packets marked with a precedence value of 2 coming inbound from R1 to R3. Again, we can confirm this if we go to R1, do a show policy map interface serial 01, and we can see that 1000 packets have now been matched by this class map. 88 packets of which have conformed and been transmitted, and 912 packets have exceeded the 64K policer on the interface. However, they have a value, they have a precedence value of 2 being added or marked to these packets, and they have been transmitted across. So again, that's how we see now on the class map precedence 2, which is matching precedence 2. We see that 912 packets match this, and we do indeed see that value on R1. So again, that is a basic look at traffic policing. We showed you a couple examples. One example of where between R1 and R2 we policed the committed information rate based on the bandwidth percentage of the interface, which was 50%. Once the traffic over the interface exceeded this percentage, we dropped the traffic. And then we also showed you a second example between R1 and R3 where we policed the committed information rate of 64K. Once the traffic was saturated over this limit, the exceed action was to mark this with a precedence value of 2 and transmit it across. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.